Hey guys, my name is Dean. Welcome to Manflow Yoga. In this video, I'm going to show you a super simple stretch for relieving back pain and improving your groin flexibility. So this posture is called Happy Baby, but I see a lot of guys do it wrong just because they're not as flexible as a lot of the women going to yoga classes. So I want to show you how to do this in a way that might be more effective for you guys. So you're going to do this by laying down on your back, making sure that your lower back is flat on the ground. Have a strap. If you don't have a strap, you can also use a rope or a dog leash. And then you want to bring your knees in toward your shoulders. Again, try to keep your lower back flat on the ground here. And then from here, extend your legs up. Grab the outsides of your feet one at a time. And then make sure that you're grabbing the outsides of your feet. Your elbows come inside your knees, so just make sure you have that. And then you can start to kind of roll from side to side here. If you don't feel a stretch yet, then I want you to drive your knees out and press your hands into your feet while pulling your feet toward the ground. So you're creating opposing forces to help make this stretch happen. And again, knees are driving to the outsides and squeezing down, and you should feel this stretch in your inner thighs. If this is kind of uncomfortable for you, if you feel like your head is coming off the ground and your lower back is up off the ground, this is what I was talking about before. Then, using this variation, you can put a strap on your feet like this, and that way I can actually keep my back flat on the ground here, and I can get my legs as wide as I want to, and I can keep my lower back down, I can keep my shoulders and my head in a nice position, and this is just a little bit more relaxed if you have trouble doing that first way that we did it. And for this stretch, you're gonna hold it for about 30 to 60, actually 30 seconds is a little bit short. I would go for 60 to 90 seconds. And you want to make sure that as you're doing it, your ab muscles and your hips are working. So it shouldn't just be a passive stretch. Otherwise, you might actually overstretch your lower back. But I know this stretch is great for people who are office workers. I actually do yoga with my dad twice a week on FaceTime, and he loves doing that stretch. He just goes to it by default. So, and he sits at an office all day. So might work for you too. And that's it. If you like the video, make sure to like, comment, and share. I'm also on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So follow me there if you're on those platforms. And if you want to learn more about what I do, head to manflowyoga.com for a full online members area, training programs, workouts, and much, much more. Stuff that you won't see here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.